Welcome to Releasing the Frequency of Shame, Embodiment Activation from Self-Abandonment to Acceptance and Self-Celebration, channeled by me. I invite you to take a moment to arrive. Allow your body to settle into whatever surface is holding you. You don't need to sit a certain way or stand a certain way. You don't need to be upright or focused. Just let yourself be held. I invite you to take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale out through your mouth. And again, a long, deep inhale and a soft, open exhale. There's nothing to do, nowhere to be, nothing to fix, nothing to improve, nothing to achieve. This is not about becoming someone else. This is about coming home to yourself. If you'd like, bring one hand to your heart and another hand to your lower belly. Feel the warmth of your own touch. Let your breath get deeper, moving from your head into your body. Perhaps you notice sensations, tightness, tension, heaviness, numbness, any emotion coming up, or nothing at all. Know that all of it is welcome. Your body does not need to perform healing. It only needs permission to be heard and to be honest. Now gently, silently, or out loud, say the word shame. Notice what happens in your body. Notice what comes up for you. What you think about. Perhaps an experience or a memory shows up for you. Something recent or something from far into your past. How does it feel in your body? You might notice a collapsing sensation, a desire to shrink, dropping your gaze, a tightening in the chest, pulling inward, or a heaviness in your belly. This is your nervous system showing you a survival pattern. Shame is not who you are. It is something your system has learned. Take another slow, deep breath in. And on the exhale, quietly or inwardly say, "This is shame. And it is not my identity." Again, this is shame, and it is not who I am. Let those words land in your body, not in your mind. You are not bad for having learned shame. You are not broken or carrying it. You adapted it. And adaptation is intelligence and protection. Now imagine the part of you that learned shame, not as a problem, but as a protector. You might see a younger version of you. You might feel a sensation. Become aware of an image or an experience that you had in the past, or simply a feeling, the frequency of shame. This part learned to stay small, to stay safe, to please, to belong, to disappear, to survive, to disassociate or check out. Place a hand wherever this part lives in your body. Don't overthink it. And perhaps visualizing a younger part of you, whatever age. And say softly, I see you. Thank you for protecting me. You don't have to do this alone anymore. Notice if your body softens even slightly. Now bring your awareness to your heart space and breathe into the center of your chest. And let these words move through you. I was taught that I was separate. I was taught that love lived outside of me. I was taught that I had to earn my right to exist. Now gently offer a new truth, not as an affirmation, but as a remembrance. I am not separate from Source. I am not disconnected from love. I am love embodied. And I invite you to feel that not as an idea, but as a sensation. Shame dissolves when separation collapses. Now allow your body to respond naturally. You may want to sigh, tone, stretch, sway. Place hands on your thighs. Press your feet into the ground. Stand up, sit up. Follow the impulse. The body is our greatest teacher. It's our greatest guide. And in order to transmute and transform lower frequencies of shame and other emotions, the body is your greatest ally. Remember, shame lives in stillness and suppression. Release lives in your movement and the breath. Open mouth exhales are nice. Again, toning or chanting. Maybe a little ah. And as you exhale, imagine shame leaving your body through the feet, through your breath, through sound, through sensation, through the crown of your head. Whatever comes up is exactly what is needed. You don't need to push it out. Just allow it to move, even if it's just a little. Now bring both hands to your heart center and lovingly, slowly, and gently say, I love and accept myself. I love and accept my body. I accept my needs. I accept my sensitivity. I accept my desires. And notice where the body resists. And know that resistance is common. It is the last place shame is dissolving. Breathe there. Acceptance is not approval of everything that's happened. It is the end of self-abandonment. Now, this is important. Know that shame collapses celebration. So we restore it gently. Place one hand on your solar plexus and one in your heart. And say, I celebrate myself for surviving. I celebrate myself for adapting. I celebrate myself for not giving up. And most importantly, I celebrate myself for being here. Feel how radical that is. Celebration is not ego, it is sovereignty. Know that you are allowed to take up space in your body, in your life, in the world. Now imagine a soft golden light. Sophia Christ Consciousness, God, Goddess, divine source energy, whatever you want to call it. Not above you, not below you, but within you. Let this golden energy fill your belly, your chest, your throat, your jaw, your face, your entire body down to the tips of your toes. Coming from the root all the way up to the crown, from the cosmos down through your spine to the depths and the core of our beloved Gaia, the crystalline grid of the planet. And know that this light does not judge. It does not withhold. It does not ask you to be anything other than who you are. It simply says, you belong. And let that truth settle into your cells. Take another long, slow, deep breath in and out. And gently say, out loud if possible, I choose acceptance over shame. I choose presence over punishment. I choose to celebrate my own existence. Feel your feet. Feel your body. Feel your fingertips. Feel the space you occupy. This is embodiment. This is true healing. This is sovereign divinity. Shame told you to disappear. Acceptance invites you to stay and play. Self-celebration reminds you that your presence matters. You do not need permission to exist, to take up space. You do not need to earn love. You do not need to become someone else. You are already enough. And that has always been worthy of celebration. Take another long, slow, deep breath. And if you'd like to stay here, just shut off the recording or play some music and be in the space here to move your body or do some gentle, deep breaths, maybe some breath of fire, some somatic movement, as long as you like.